Alright, so the songbird is awake. It's 9:29. He's up from his 30-minute cat nap. Cyrus, are you ignoring me? You playing with your toy? Hi. Hi, honey. How are ya? How you doing? Did you have a good nap? Yeah? Are you ready to open some presents? Want to open some presents? What do you think? You ready to go down? Are you awake now? Got a cough? Let me see these feet. Show everybody these cute little feet. Super cute feet. That's right. What do you think, mister? Want to go down and open some presents? Your dad's waiting for you down there. You cute little baby. You're cute, alright. Okay. What's going on, man? What's going on, mister? You still waking up? What's going on, man? What's going on? Hi. Hey. Oh, that's what you were doing. Toot toot tootin'? Cyrus Dalton, Formidonian, he roots around. Cyrus Dalton, Formidonian, he roots around. And he roots, and he toots, and he roots, and he toots. He roots, and he toots, and he roots around. He roots around. His name is Cyrus Dalton, Formidonian, he roots around. That's you! Cyrus Dalton, Formidonian, he roots around. And he root, root, roots, and he toot, toot, toots, and he root, root, roots, and he toots. He root, root, roots, and he toot, toot, toots, and he root, root, roots around. He root, root, roots around. He root, root, roots around. All right.